How to clean an air fryer in 4 easy steps. We all know that the air fryer is the modern workhorse of the kitchen. Even with little to no oil, it crisps up food as it cooks it, which makes for a fried experience without any of the negative health benefits. If you're an air fryer owner, you probably have a few questions regarding the cleaning process. Which parts need to be hand-washed versus cleansed in the dishwasher? Why it's important to clean your air fryer. How often to clean your air fryer. Preparing your air fryer for cleaning. As you prepare your air fryer for cleaning, you might start thinking about popping those dishwasher-safe items into your machine to save some time. While this won't necessarily damage your air fryer's parts, a manual approach will result in the deepest clean. I always prefer a manual cleaning with warm soapy water as it helps to break down the food particles and excessive grease on the parts, especially on the basket, says Zoe. Materials needed. How to clean your air fryer, step by step. Step 1. Unplug the air fryer. Step 2. Remove detachable parts and clean. If the removable parts are not dishwasher safe, put them into a mixture of warm water with dish soap. Step 3. Clean the interior surface. Step 4. Clean the exterior surface. Safe and effective cleaning products for your air fryer. Safety measures to consider when cleaning your air fryer. Frequently asked questions. Take care when you clean an air fryer's buttons and control panels. Too much water could cause electrical issues.